Wetin dey sup my correct people? Na Pidgin Vibez news you dey watch, and this na your Pidgin Vibez daily weather report. Today na February 15th, 2026. Make we yarn how weather go behave across Niger. For north, Sokoto, Kebbi, Zamfara, Katsina, heat go strong well. Temperature fit reach 37 degrees. Sun no dey joke. Kano, Jigawa, Yobe, Borno, dry breeze go dey blow small. No rain wahala, but dust fit show face. Abuja, Niger, Kogi, Kwara, Benue Plateau, morning go cool small, afternoon go hot. Cloud cover small, but rain no serious. Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Ondo, Ekiti, Osun. Humidity high. Early morning breeze go sweet, but afternoon go sticky like gala wrapper. Lagos and Ogun fit see light afternoon shower. No heavy storm, just quick sprinkle. Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi. Cloud gathering steady. Small rain fit fall for evening side. Rivers, Bayelsa, Delta, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo. Expect rainfall for afternoon. Umbrella no be decoration today, oh. Average temperature for south go dey around 28 degrees to 32 degrees. Heat plus moisture go combine. Wind speed moderate for coastal areas. Fishermen make them check tide level before them sail. Sunrise don't show since 6:45 a.m. across most states. Sunset go down around 6:45 p.m. If you dey travel from north go south today, prepare for serious weather change. From dry heat enter wet humidity straight. Drivers, bikers, church people, make una shine eye well. Weather fit change mood anytime. This na your early morning update from Pidgin Vibez News. We dey keep you informed before weather shock you. And as a be so my people, so before you come out house tomorrow, check here first.